Hello, today I'd like to show you our Salesforce connector for ABBYY Vantage. The concept of this connector is that we can have documents that flow in through Salesforce in a typical case management or customer portal arrangement. The document will come in, potentially on a case. There will be some automatic triggering of a flow to ABBYY Vantage so that as that document comes in, we can classify, in other words, determine that document type. We can also then extract information from that given document type. In today's case, we have a Salesforce case here in front of us, and I'm going to be uploading a document that is a direct deposit form. This is just any sort of incoming form that we're going to post on the case. You can see there's information here that we want to extract potentially and use as detailed information, metadata on that case. So what you're going to see is we will trigger a flow from Salesforce. That document will go into Vantage. We will classify that document. And in other words, we will determine that that's a direct deposit form. We will extract information from that form, and then we'll call Salesforce and provide that information back. So as you see here, what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and upload a document. Now that that document is uploaded, this is where we could potentially have some automation. Now for today's demo, I just have a little button I'm going to push to trigger the automation, but this of course can be automated. So we're going to send that document over to Vantage. Now what's going to happen is when we refresh this screen, now that the document's over in Vantage and going through that Vantage workflow that I just described, when we refresh this here, this description will have JSON of the details that Vantage has pulled off of that given document. There is our description, which is really just detailed JSON of information that we've extracted. Now, of course, in a true automated fashion, we would probably take that JSON and parse it into specific fields on the Salesforce case. But the concept here is that we have Salesforce talking to a best-in-class OCR technology within ABBYY Vantage, and then providing that full loop back to Salesforce where then additional automation can take place. So in a typical case management solution, we'd have documents flow in, we pass it to the OCR technology, and then the OCR technology, in this case ABBYY Vantage, would post that information back to the case where then we can triage and automatically inform that case with details that we found on that given document. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.